y'all, it's Shannon from Creative Chaos in Tennessee, and today we are back with day 9 of 30 Days of Sketches with Christy's Beautiful Life. And this is our sketch. And I don't know who it was designed by because they didn't put their name on there. I would have to go back and check on the group. But this is our sketch, and I'm also combining this with How to Kill a Kit with Style. And I am actually using up some more of my Simple Stories Vintage Life in Bloom that y'all know I did a lot of it. I used a lot of it, but I still have some of these hexagons, some of the little ephemera pieces, so I thought I would use it. And then I'm also combining this with the Next Big Thing Hop, where we use something large or do something large each month. So this month's is to fussy cut a large element. Now, I didn't have a ton of large things to put on here, especially with the sketch, but I did fussy cut all these flowers to create embellishments. I have some diamond dots here. I have some of, like I said, some of the ephemera pieces, and then this is my photos, and this was of my friend Jessica. She was my best friend in high school. We were pretty much inseparable, and this one's from way back when. I can't find all the other ones of us together, so I'll probably put them up somewhere safe. This one was probably took 7.5 years ago. Gosh, it don't seem that long now that I say it out loud. But it is. This is my journaling, and I put it in one of these frames. I was just using up, like I said, all the leftovers this month. So, and of course, y'all know I am working through this journaling calendar this month, not in any particular order. This is pinned to the featured section in my group. And this time I am doing Someone You're Grateful to Have Made a Lot of Memories With. And this is my journaling, and it pretty much says, my best friend Jessica came into my life in 10th grade when her family moved to Tennessee from Kentucky for her dad's work. We met in biology class and became instant friends, quickly becoming inseparable through the rest of high school. She was absolutely obsessed with my brother, which still makes me laugh to this day. We shared so many fun times, learning to drive, getting our first cars, late night sleepovers, and hanging out at pool halls. There are still songs I can't hear without thinking of her. No Scrubs, Hot Child in the City, and anything by Cher will forever bring her to mind. After high school, life took us in different directions for a while, but we reconnected years later, and I'm so thankful we did. Jessica always dreamed of being a mom, even though she was told she never could. So when she found out she was pregnant, she was overjoyed. Tragically, she passed away about a week after her baby girl was born due to complications. Losing her broke my heart, but I will always cherish the memories, laughter, and love we shared. So that's my journaling. And then I have a piece of white cardstock, and I am going to do some mixed media for my background. Not really mixed media per se, just some smushing and all that package technique. So I'm going to use wilted violet, picked raspberry, and peacock feathers, since that is kind of my colors from the collection, and these flowers that I fussy cut. Alright, so I'm thinking I'm going to just kind of go diagonally, due to how the sketch is laid out, like color-wise. I want to go this way with it. So, let's see. I guess I'll start with pink, and then blue, and then purple. Kind of go rainbow order, even though I'm not going to have a full rainbow. It'll be alright. So, I'm just going to add just a little bit of water to it. touch it down instead of smushing the whole thing, so I'll have a little bit more control over it. Alright, so there's all of that, my ink on there. And I didn't put a ton of water, so it's already pretty dry. Just has a few spots here and there. I'll just tap them. And then I'm going to put my hexagons down so that it kind of creates my background. Let's see, and I just have a bunch of random ones that was left over. So I'm just going to work on putting those on. Alright, I have a few left and I'm going to hold out on putting those down until I get my photos down so I can kind of see where it falls. It needs to be at. I have these little pieces. Alright, so there's my page. I know the lighting isn't very good and I apologize. So, I hope that this inspires you guys to create and journal your memories. And I hope that you will go and check out what everyone else is creating with the same sketch. I hope that you are getting to create and play along. If you like this video, please give me a thumbs up. If you're not yet a subscriber, because it says that most of my viewers, about half, aren't subscribed that still watch my videos regularly. So I would love to have you as a subscriber if you're not already. And I think that's going to be it. So until next time, bye y'all.